Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a poll on YouTube mobile. By the way, if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. First, let's go into YouTube. Once in YouTube, you're going to tap on the plus right here. Then you're going to select Create a Post. After you have selected Create a Post, you are going to tap on the poll icon in the bottom left hand corner. And from here, you'll simply type the question that you would like to ask. For example, let me type something right here. Then right where you see Add Options, those are the answers that you would like your viewers of this poll to choose from. So for example, I will say iOS. And then this option would be Android, as you can see right there. Then you would simply tap on Post in the top right hand corner. And if I should tap on View right here, you can see the poll right here. So if someone should tap on iOS or Android, then I will know the percentage of users. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful or informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.